Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to call Siri using your earbuds SOUNDPEATS Opera05. Firstly, we need to locate touch areas, and touch areas located at the back side of the earbuds. Right here we have it. To call a Siri, you need to press 3 times at the touch area on your left or right earbuds. Let's check it. 1, 2, 3. And as you can see, Siri is awake, so it worked. Now let's check the left one. 1, 2, 3. And the left one also works. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!